Hey folks, the people at WAC have already sent out an amazing print set of instructions for conducting online conferences, but I thought some of us might like to also see how this would play out on an actual computer screen. So I'm recording a sample conference on my Macintosh. If you're using a PC, some of the interface might be slightly different, but not so much that it's confusing. So the first thing you will do is go to your WAC schedule and you would click on a red block during whatever time you are scheduled. I'm going to use this yellow one because I've created this appointment just for the purposes of this demonstration, and then I'm going to delete it as soon as we're done. So you click on the block, you then select Start or Join Online Consultation, and you see the WC Online interface window. We have the main text. This is where students would typically copy and paste some material like that. Over on the right hand side, we have the chat portion. If you're going to start, if you're going to type some chats, you do it down at the bottom. And then it will appear in this running log with a timestamp. You'll notice the color here and the color here are the same. If you want to change it, you can by selecting this little group icon and then the box next to your name, and then you can reset it to whatever color you prefer. And then these will both change. Every person in chat will have a different color, so hopefully you and your student will have different colors of comments. If you have this toggle enabled, the student will see what you're typing in real time and you will see what the student is typing in real time. Sometimes that can be useful, sometimes it can't. You can toggle that on or off however you see fit. If I'm going to offer comments within the student's paper, what I find most useful is to put them in brackets and then to make sure that my color is different than the student's. Because I am logged into my own student appointment right now, I can't really do that. Another thing you could do to make them stand out is, in addition, you could make them bold, which will make them a little easier to see. I hope that's been useful. Please let me know if you have any questions. Have a good one.